This is a way that you can segue yourself into using the product and reducing your carbon footprint with your foil usage. So I'm going to demonstrate it with a clear thermal film on top, and I'm going to demonstrate it with a opaque film over top. And I'm going to lay my foil underneath, apply my color, and then go directly over top of it with my thermal film. If you want to anchor those edges, you can most certainly do that as well, and then literally move on to your next section. So again, you can lay this right over top. And carry on. Luminati, where color masters play.